Hello everybody, and I just wanted to give a quick tutorial on how to use my Notion journal. So essentially you're just going to click on the link that I shared. It's going to be in premium content. You can find it there. I'm probably going to post this on WAP, so you'll probably find the link in the description or some sort. And so essentially once you open it up, you're going to go into the trading journal template. And at the top right, I don't have it because this is my template, but at the top right, you will see duplicate. So you're going to click duplicate. And once you've duplicated that to your own journal or your own Notion, then you can change the name of your trading journal, change the name of your specific log right here, right? Rename. And then to actually journal, how you're going to be using this is you're going to click new. And then you're going to just click in a blank space. Here it's going to say open. So you're just going to click open. And then scroll down, you're going to see statistics and review. And this is the template that I've pre-made for you guys. If you want to edit it, then just these three dots on the right here, it says edit this template. You're going to edit it. And inside this specific window here, it'll say you're editing a template in Trading Journal template. And so any changes you make in here, every time you make a new journal, it's going to open up whatever you put in here. So right now, this is what I put in here. I just put some trade review questions, screenshots, and then your trade details, right? So going back, you're going to click on this. Make sure it doesn't say you're editing the statistics review template. And then you're just going to click on that. And then it'll apply it automatically to your database, essentially. So it's just going to load for a little bit, and it's going to be here, and you just input all your information on your trade detail. And then from up here, you put your date and time, entry model, framework, instrument, mistakes, all this stuff, right? All this good stuff. You can edit it as you like. And from here, you can also change the title. You can be like, for example, if you trade NASDAQ long, you just put NQ long 1 or something like that. And once you're out of here, you'll see all of your information show up in this table, which is pretty awesome. And another great thing about this is that at the top left, you'll see this calendar view tab. So if you click calendar view, it'll show up all your trades here. And this is just the view I personally like to do. And how you can create a new journal in this calendar view is just hovering over a day. At the top left, there's going to be a little plus, and then it says add an item. And then once you add an item, you can just click once again the template, statistics and review, and then input all your information here. So that's always a cool way to measure your statistics. Hope this was helpful, and yeah, just a quick tutorial.